What music player do you guys use? Chances are that you probably use Spotify, or you at least know what Spotify is, right? It's one of the most used platforms when it comes to listening to music, and they have lots of different artists and genres for you to choose from. I bet that you didn't know that you can actually use Spotify to make money though. You could get paid to listen to music. Pretty cool, right? Plus you can do this from whenever, wherever, kind of like the Shakira song. Oh, and you can get paid really quickly. This is a really easy money-making method to use, and it's super simple to figure out. Get this, you could earn over $900 doing this. That's a lot of money. Plus, this is something that you can do again and again and make lots more money. You may be thinking, that's cool, but I don't have any Spotify followers. No worries, you don't need followers, you don't need to refer anyone, and you don't need to spend any money to get started. You just need a phone or some sort of device that'll connect you to the internet. Stick with me until the end of the video because I have some bonus tips that are going to help you earn even more cash. You're going to want to listen in. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, the channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Are you guys ready? I know I am. As I mentioned, there's a way to make money with the help of Spotify, so of course you're gonna need to create a YouTube account. Just messing with you, you need to create a Spotify account, of course. Don't worry because signing up for Spotify is free unless you're rich and have the money to spare for a premium account. Anyways, I'm gonna walk you through signing up and everything. Now, you aren't going to be only using Spotify, which is why you're going to want to listen in, because I'm going to show you a website that's going to pay you when you partner it with Spotify. This is a pretty low-key method, so finding videos that will walk you through this process is kind of difficult, which is why you're going to want to stay and listen up because there aren't too many people that have shared this method here on YouTube. You can make 800 British pounds, which converts over to around $1,000, and you could earn this much just for listening to music. As I said, this is a pretty low-key method, so I'm going to walk you through each step, and the first one being to open up a browser and scoot your booch over to Spotify.com. Now, if you're doing this on a phone, then you can download the Spotify app, and it'll work just the same. If you already have a Spotify account, then you're going to want to log into your account. If not, then you're going to be signing up for a free account. To sign up, you're just going to smash this button right here. And if you have a Facebook account, you can sign up and link your Facebook profile, but if you don't want to do that, then you can use your email address and then create a password. Now you're going to create a username, you're going to give them your birth date and then your gender, prove that you're a human, and bada bing bada boom, you have a free account. Now you should be able to access your free Spotify account and open up your profile. And you're probably going to notice that they literally have millions of songs and artists for you to listen to. It can be a bit overwhelming at first. Anywho, we're gonna go over the basics just so you can get a feel for Spotify. If you want to listen to music, you're just gonna hit the play button right here. And one thing that you're gonna need to know how to do to start earning is how to create a playlist. To do that, you're just gonna click right here and then it's gonna make a brand new playlist for you. This feature is gonna become your best friend when it comes to this money-making strategy. You just add music to this playlist and then you get paid for creating it. Alright, are you ready for the website that's gonna help you earn? This is a really great platform because you can become a music curator and get paid to listen to music. To make money, you're going to create playlists on Spotify and then submit them to this website, and then they're going to pay you real money for every single playlist that you submit. Obviously, the more playlists that you submit, the more money you're going to make. It's that simple. Now, if you do less than 200 though, you're not going to earn anything. If you complete at least 200 submissions though, you can start earning cold hard cash. As you can see, if you have this many submissions, you can earn 800 pounds or around $1,000. This platform is super user-friendly, so I know that it's one that you're gonna love. Even if you don't have a ton of experience in the music world and you aren't that techie, you'll still be able to figure this out. Now to get started, you're gonna open up your browser and go to musicgateway.com. Okay, listen up. The sign-up process is a bit tricky, so you're gonna wanna follow each step so that you don't miss out on earning. I'll show you exactly how to fill in the registration form so that you can start earning money. You're not going to want to skip ahead because each step is really important. So the first thing that you're going to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of the homepage and click on the link that says Curators under the Music Gateway category. It should bring you to a page that looks like this where it says to get paid to listen to music. There's a lot of information about being a curator with Music Gateway, so you can read through it if you have the time. Anyways, now you're going to click on the Apply Now button. Doing that is going to bring you to a curator application form. Do you see it? Great. So to get started, you need to give them your email address, put in your curator name, and then select your country. Most of the time, the site will select your country for you, so no worries. For the sake of this video, you're going to focus on Spotify, so you're going to want to tick the box next to Spotify. Once you're done with that, you're going to see that it's asking you for a link to your playlist, channel, station, or blog. Now, you're going to need your Spotify account link, and in a bit, I'm going to teach you how to grab that.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Let's get back into your application. Okay, so for now, you're going to skip the whole Spotify link part and move on to the next question, which is how many submissions you receive per week. If you were paying attention earlier, then you probably know that you need to have at least 200 submissions to be able to make any money, right? If you put in a number less than that, you're not going to make any money at all, so signing up would be a waste of time. Now, 200 is the bare minimum, so if you want to do this full time, you could put in 1,000 submissions and make lots of money on here. After filling that in, then you can choose what genres you accept. Keep in mind that the more categories you choose, the more money you can make, so if I were you, then I'd pick all of them. I'll show you how you can find different genres on Spotify to be able to use in your playlist, so don't worry. After that, it's going to ask you to follow Music Gateway on Instagram, and you don't have to if you don't want to, so just pick either of these options. Next, there's a spot where you can add more information if you want, but I would say to just leave that part blank. Lastly, it's going to ask if you're going to become a member, and you want to click on whatever is free, and then it's going to ask for some additional information for you to fill in. Now, as I said, it doesn't matter where in the world you live, you can use Music Gateway, so just choose the country that you live in. Once you're done with all of the forms, then you're on your way to making money. The site will eventually approve your account, and you can start submitting playlists to make some moolah. Now, these next steps are important because I'm going to go over the whole Spotify part of this process. Now go over to the Spotify app or open up your account in a browser. So on Music Gateway, there are a lot of different genres for you to choose from, right? Now you need to create playlists for each genre that you chose to create in your application form. So let's say I chose pop. I'm gonna open up Spotify, and in the search bar, I'm gonna type pop music. When I hit the search button, thousands of pop songs are gonna pop up, all coming from different artists. There's so many for you to choose from. Now, what you want to do is click the Create Playlist button and then give your playlist a name. I'm just going to name this Pop Playlist. Now I'm going to add these pop songs into my playlist. Want to know a cool thing about Spotify? If you scroll down, it actually is going to give you music options to add to your playlist that are related to the pop genre. So to add these songs to my playlist, I just need to hit this button right here that says Add. I can add as many of these songs to my playlist as I want. And now your playlist has a lot of songs and you barely had to do anything. Amazing, right? Now I have one submission ready for Music Gateway, and I can create more until I have 200, and then I can start making money. Now another thing that you're going to be able to do is pull your playlist link so you can submit it to Music Gateway. To do that, just click on this button right here, and it should have an option to let you copy the playlist link. You're just going to keep creating playlists and sharing the links so that you can earn money. Also, you need your Spotify link to be able to fill out the registration form, right? Well, to do that, you just open up your profile, click the 3 dots button, and then hit share. Now you're ready to share your profile. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. I hope this helps you make some extra cash. Good luck, ladies and gents.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.